In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari to a PC. So first, you'll have to check, of course, which version do you have. Is it the T98 Ferrari 286 or 296 GTB, which has, of course, some PlayStation buttons, or basically you can check if you have the GTS, which is basically has Xbox buttons. Both versions normally works on Windows 10 and 11 and normally do not need a separated driver. So all you need to do is basically connect the wheel and pedals. You can place the wheel, as example, securely on your desk and put the pedals on the floor. You can connect all included cables, then plug the wheel's USB cable directly into your PC, and make sure to avoid USB hubs and extension cables because they can basically cause some detection problems. So then you will have to check the PC mode lights. The small LED on the wheel must be green when using it with on PC. For the PlayStation GTB version, if the light is blue or red, basically you can just go and try to close the game, hold the mode button for 5 seconds. While it flashes, you can use the D-pad to select green and then release the mode button. Of course, you can then unplug and reconnect the wheel, and it should start working with no issues. For the Xbox GTS version, if the light is white, instead of example of green, you can close your game, hold the view button for 5 seconds, use the G or the D-pad to select basically green, release the view button, unplug and connect the wheel, and you should be good to go. You can of course test the wheel on Windows, press the Windows key, and basically you can search for Joy .cpl and you can open it and look for example your T98 Ferrari. You can select this of course, then click on property as you can see here to test all the buttons and access. And of course, just a warning, do not use the calibration settings as it may disrupt the steering wheel access. And of course, then you can go and try and open your racing game and go to the control settings and change whatever you want, because some games will detect the T98, but others may show it as the T90, I mean 89, and of course others may show it as 80. So, or basically require you to manually assign steering, acceleration, and braking, and also the buttons. So if the steering wheel is not detected by any chance, just try another USB port, remove and any, as example, USB hub, confirm that the LED is green, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.